Guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, Lady Amazing Gaming, and today it's New Year's Eve, so we're like setting up fireworks and everything. So yeah, I will show you guys. That was really cool. I don't know if you guys can see it because I can't really flip the camera. That's not how it works. So if I flip it, I have to stop video and then it makes it all go with. But yeah, it was really cool. So now, once I'm more set up, I will... Actually, I can't do that. Never mind. Whatever. Let's just keep on going. Keep on going. It's really cool. Let me show you this other one. Oh look, he's putting in another one. Really cool. And there's some fireworks going on over there. There's none right now, but there was very big ones. So one of them almost scared me. It was really funny. Okay, well, we'll keep watching.
Tío no viene para acá. Tío Junior.
That was cool. A lot of smoke everywhere. Let's do some more. And if you guys can see all the way in the distance, there are some fireworks going on. Oh, here goes another one. This is very fun. We always do this. And actually, I'm gonna get the sparkler.
Yeah.
Hey, Mom, can I have a sparkler?
You
want a sparkler?
Yeah.
Have a sparkler too.
Okay, hold it.
Tú compraste una caja completa, pues.
Sí.
Hold on. I don't want to get to the end because I don't want to burn myself.
Mommy, and don't put it too high.
Oh, wow.
It's really cool, guys.
I know. Don't get it. Get it from the bottom.
I have a sparkler. It's really cool. Like you can hold it in your hand. It's super cool. And there goes another one over there. It's a party in the house.
Hold that in circle. No, Buffy, move your hand like that. There you go.
Like this. Woo! It's done. It didn't want me to be with it. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Let's get another one while we watch another one.
Well, you're not even looking at me.
Look at this one.
I would know it.
That one's cool. Look at that one.
Have one more. Have a stick
It's really cool.
to play.
Boom, ba, chicka, down. Let's go see if there's any more over here. Bunch. Oh, look, here's another one. This is really cool, guys. I love Happy New Year. Well, it's my second favorite holiday. The other one is Christmas. Let's watch. That is loud.
Keep your hands straight. There we go.
No, Jay, don't do that. He's trying to burn me. Can I have one, Mom?
Yes, Mama.
Ooh, look. Wow.
Mommy, dance.
That's my dad. That's my dad right there.
Mommy.
Ahí voy, ahí voy. Hold on, para tomar el picture.
It's taking too much.
Mira, Vicky, tú.
Yay!
Así, muere.
Oh, look, here comes another one. Dad, can you light my lighter?
Mommy. How about me?
Get it away a little bit, Mama. Leila, on the fire, not on the blue part. En la cajita ahí mismo.
It's a party. Bippity boppity boo. Look, there's another one. There is another one. There is another one. There is another one. Is that it, Mom?
Espera, vaya.
Yay!
Necesito un poquito de gracia.
Leila,
Un
ven here.
poquito de gracia.
Yay! It's a party in the house!
Yay. Ay, don't touch
¡Ey!
it.
Cuidado! ¿Qué fue?
He touched the thing.
Oh, se
After
quemó.
finish. Papi, you're not supposed to touch it. It's hot, my lovey.
Never mind that. Let's just get away from that.
It's really hot.
That was fun, kind of funny. We're like, oh, this is a party out here. Yeah. No.
Look at this one. You ready to see this one?
That was big.
Oh yeah, that one is big. This one is called the snow thing. Something. What is it called, Dad? The snow what? Snow. Ooh. Silver snow fountain. That's the one that we're using. Woohoo! That was cool. Poor Jace. He's just a little kid holding a sparkler, and then he touched the tip of it where it blows up, and then he starts to little doggy. Here goes another one. That's large. Called Colorful Shop. Yeah. So that means it's colorful. better be colorful. If it's just white and this, it. No, that's sad. We don't know. It might be turned into like a red, a blue. Yeah, a red. I don't know. Oof, what a smoke. I thought I was gonna stop. It's a party in here. Dang, I didn't know that was supposed to happen. Wow. Boom. Can I have one? This one is called, I don't know what it's called. Eh. This is what. Oh, Dad, can you burn my sparkler? I didn't know you could do that. We guess not. We're going to use it.
Él necesita que tú pongas tu mano sobre él ahora en el nombre de Jesús. Pompa. Quita todo ese dolor y toda dolama y todo ardor ahora mismo. Yo lo ato en el nombre de Jesús.
Y Leila te va a quemar. Dile, no lo toques, Leila.
I feel like he's being so dramatic right now. Oh, burned out. That was funny. My grandma was like, "Do you want another one? That tree burned himself." And he's like, "No." Oh wow. Let's do one more, guys, and then we will go, guys. But yeah. Well, because I want to join some of it myself. Like, not saying I don't want to be with you guys. I love you guys. Don't worry. I love you guys. But I like to do some by myself. So the rest, I will not talk until the end. I don't know how to edit. Wait, no. No. I will not talk till the end, okay? How about that? Well, once my dad starts more again. Yeah. Okay, well, let's wait.
Get in the car, have Mommy's car.
It's okay. It's just a tiny little burn. Just like I burned myself, like right. I think it was like on my fist one time. I touched that. My mom was hitting on like some tamales, and I touched the pan with the. I don't know how I did. I was like playing around tag with my little brother, and I'm like ah! And then 3 times this happened. 2 with my mother, 1 with my cousin. So my cousin was ironing my hair. And then next thing you know, she burns me, on this ear. And then the first time my mom burned me was on this ear again, and it hurt really bad. That was like a couple of days after. And the second time was this ear again, but that was like about a year after. But still, it hurt a lot. I know how it felt for Jace. Ooh, that one looks cool. What is that one? Is that like an actual firework that like goes up to the air and then?
I'm gonna burn.
Okay, we'll get you a band in a little bit, okay?
Let me see. What is that on his hand? See this? Wow. toothpaste. Why?
It helps with burns.
Say hi to the camera.
Hello, Happy New Year.
Say hi.
Say hi.
I guess that's his way of saying hi, but whatever. Let's watch this baby go. Now, guys, I'm sorry, but I will not talk anymore because I feel like I'm too talkative. Because, you know, I'm nervous when I go on YouTube. I tried to live stream, but it said 24 hours to activate. Meh, 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 meh.
Get ready.
And I didn't have 24 hours. I had like 10 minutes. Okay, let's watch. Now that should be the colorful shot. Let's just watch. No talking. No more.
Like that one, puppy? Yeah, that was cool. Want me to do another one?
No, no feel bad. Yeah, I know.
But I'll give you another one of rocket.
Sí.
Let's do it again.
Pero es fuerte, ¿sabes? Estuviera yo soy viejo, estuviera yo brincando. Sí, yo estuviera brincando. ¿Verdad?
You should run, right?
No, pero, mira, yo estuviera... Ay, señor. Cuidado, Leila.
Look at that one.
Este grande.
I like how you line them up, babe. For real.
Ese es grande, estos son altos.
Look, puppy, look at this big old box.
Ooh,
That's the last one.
Yeah.
a big one. It's
Qué
called
rápido
Walking
se van, ¿verdad?
Zombies.
Yeah.
TNT. I'm scared. No. No, I should step back.
Y es fuerte, ¿viste? Es fuerte, no es como bueno, tú no estás viendo. Yo estuviera llorando.
Big one.
There's a big box.
Este es el último.
This is the last one. Walking zombies.
Sí, vamos a ver este, vamos a ver este.
I think we want to get back for this one.
Should we get back or are we good?
Let me see it later.
Seriously, baby?
Where's the lighter? Lighter over here.
I only have a certain amount of time.
These are more sparklers? Well, dang, that's a lot of sparklers.
We can be like crazy now.
Cuidado, viendo la...
Well, dang, boy, we get you on a motorcycle. You don't gotta be so loud.
Wow.
Este es grande. Oh, cuidado. Wow, mira este qué lindo. Este está lindo.
That was very good.
Un aplauso.
Applause. Applause.
You want to do another purple?
Anyway, guys,
You ready for it?
it's been 20 minutes, and I had a lot of fun with you guys. Hopefully, you guys had a lot of fun with me. And thank you for the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Leia's Amazing Gaming. And, comment down below. Did you have fun on New Year's Eve? Like if you didn't, like if you did. Either way, just like. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.